In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up storage on Microsoft Outlook 365 if your mailbox is nearing its limit or you are getting quota warnings. This walkthrough will help you reclaim space quickly while keeping what matters. Start by checking where your space is going. In the web or new Outlook experience, open Settings. Go to General, then Storage. This view shows your total mailbox size along with a folder. By folder breakdown so you can immediately see whether inbox sent, items, drafts, archive, or other folders are the biggest culprits. On this page, you'll also find built-in options to empty certain folders or automatically delete items older than 3, 6, or 12 months. Use these carefully if you are confident you won't need older mail. Next, target large or unnecessary messages. Use the search bar with filters like size, FAI 5 MB to surface bulky emails or HAS attachments. Yes to find messages with files you may not need anymore. Focus first on sent items, drafts, and newsletters, as these often accumulate large attachments and automated content. Select in bulk and delete what you no longer need. It's one of the fastest ways to free space. Now clear out the holding areas. Deleted messages still consume storage until you empty them. On desktop, right-click deleted items and choose Empty Folder. On the web or in the new Outlook, use the Empty Folder option in the top bar. Do the same for junk email. Items there also count against your quota until permanently removed. For messages you want to keep but that carry large attachments, save the files and then remove them. Right-click an attachment and choose Save as to your computer or Save to OneDrive. After you've saved what you need, remove the attachment from the email if your Outlook version includes the Remove Attachment option. This keeps the conversation while trimming its size dramatically. To clean up long threads and mailing lists, use Sweep or Clean Up. Sweep helps you remove older messages from a sender or keep only the latest copy. Cleanup reduces conversation clutter by removing redundant replies that are fully quoted in newer messages. Both tools make a noticeable dent with minimal effort. A quick note on what actually frees space: deleting items permanently reduces your mailbox size. Moving messages to archive can help with organization, but in many setups, the archive folder still counts toward your storage limit. When you are done, revisit the storage page to confirm how much space you've reclaimed. Repeat these cleanups periodically to stay under quota. Thanks for watching.